Did you know that scientists may have just found a drug that could end baldness forever? Imagine never having to worry about thinning hair again. Sounds crazy, right? Well, let me tell you the story of a new breakthrough called PP405. For centuries, people have tried everything to fight hair loss, from rubbing donkey's hoof in ancient Egypt to expensive hair transplants in today's times. But none of these really solved the problem for everyone. Until now. PP405 is a brand new topical drug. You don't swallow it, you don't get injections, you just apply it on your scalp. Here's the magic. Most baldness happens because hair follicles go dormant. They don't die, they just fall asleep. PP405 wakes them up. It blocks tiny switches in the cells called mitochondrial pyruvate carriers, and suddenly, those sleeping follicles start growing hair again. In early trials, people saw 20% more hair in just 8 weeks. And unlike older treatments, it doesn't mess with your hormones, so no scary side effects. Scientists even say it grows real, thick hair, not just baby fuzz. Now, before you get too excited, PP405 is still in clinical trials. It's not on the market yet. Experts believe it could reach India in the next few years, if larger studies confirm it's safe and effective. So, is this the beginning of the great unbalding? Only time will tell. But for millions struggling with hair loss, PP405 might just be the hope we've been waiting for.